Hi everyone, now Sunday and now I'm in the Koreatown, Angeles City. I want to show to you places in Koreatown maybe you not seen before. This is back side of Koreatown. It's I start walking near Clark Gate. This is Clark Gate to Clark Playground, to Freeport Clark, and I will show to you new places maybe you not seen before. For example, this is coffee shop. This is new coffee shop. It's just open. Bikes, Korean. Also for rent have. And I will walk through On Hotel. This is On Hotel. If you landing to Angeles City, to Clark Airport, from airplane you can see view. So I never walked here before. That's why I want to show to you places here. This is KTV. It's back side of this cafe. For parking, maybe for customers, I don't know. KTV is closed. Also abandoned already here, not working. On Hotel. On Hotel still working. Parking have. Oh, in front of have massage. Hong Kong massage. Hong Kong massage you can read in Korean language, not Chinese language. It's Korean massage, but we name Hong Kong. Parking have. It's good silent place, not noisy. Also have apartments for rent. Everywhere CCTV camera, safety. This street is empty. Okay, we will walk to another street. You can see KLM Condotel. I will show to you information with phone number and email. If you need, you can message. But look inside good. Inside good. I don't want to go inside, but it's new place. How much? Short time have also. Short time is 3 hours 900. Condo type 1000. 6 hours 1200. And condo type 1.5. And 12 hours 1.5 and 1.8. You can see the hotel address. This is entrance with lobby. It's good looking. I have same tree in my terrace, the same. I bought before in Mabalacat. Only 1 meter, now already 2 and 5 meters. We walk here. This is Green Hotel. Green Hotel, dark here, I don't know why. This is lobby. Also Korean hotel. Oh, many dogs. I'm scared of dogs, so many. Okay, we can walk to the main road first. Yes, we're going to straight to main road. Snow Hotel. Also, it's new hotel. Parking have. I think all information you can see in the Oh, wait, I will check. Studio type. Studio A, Studio B, double deck, family room. Massage also. Penthouse. Oh, small cat. Oh, so many cats, you see. Oh, we already have cat. Oh, another. So many. No. Dog also, so many animals. No, spa also have. And maybe another hotel is for build. I will check. Hotel Snow is apartment for this for Snow Hotel. Same maybe owner. We already near main road. Seoul Canteen. Here already light. Not allowed helmet. Price. For Cakes Bakery. So many cakes. Oh, for animal. Free entrance. Let's see. Different kind of cats. It's good. But we already take cats. Koreatown. Everything in Korean language. Lobster, 1 kilo, 6,000 peso. So 1 kilo lobster is about $100. You can see. This is 1 kilo, 4,000 peso. Oh, big. Shell. Japanese, Chinese restaurant, also Korean restaurant. It's near Burger King. Tarana massage spa. Massage so many here. And this is already Burger King. Drive through Burger King. Many people inside. A popular place. Because working 24 hours. Another site is Jollibee. Also 24 hours. Nightclub is closed. Before is popular nightclub. Many places is closed now. Yeah, many closed. It's for renovation. Hi. What's up, Brad? Korean restaurant. We not need to say Korean restaurant. This is Koreatown, of course, it's everything in Korean. Coco Spa open. Kim's Brothers ресторан. Also Premium KTV, also close. I think many Korean now in the walking street. Not in Koreatown. Koreatown it's for eat only. I don't know, pick up girls. I don't know. Another KTV. Chicken is popular here. Oh, grill also. Even here have sign, be careful to robber. I remember I walk here with camera and police say to me, please take care, because many people with motorcycle can snatch your bag. It's before when when already I have problem. Now I already know I don't have bag with me, only camera. And this bakery is popular, it's good. I already filming before. I don't want there because people sit. They don't want. Sing Mart. Korean also. Security also have here. Oh, take a look. Halon Bay restaurant now closed for renovation. Yeah. They have KTV also. Another restaurant. This is popular Japanese. It's mini mart. Georgi always buy here. What is this? 10 Pro. Yeah, it's KTV. Open KTV.